Diesel generator A check. A DGA check refers to a daily visual inspection of a diesel generator, DG, to ensure it's in good working condition and ready for operation. Note: safety first, change the auto mode to manual mode in the AMF panel. Ensure that the generator is switched off. Ensure you are wearing all required PPE like ear mufflers or hand gloves. 1 Visual inspection. Cleanliness. Ensure the DG equipment and the surrounding area are clean. Overall condition. Check for any signs of damage, leaks, or loose components. Accessibility. Verify that the DG is freely accessible from all sides for maintenance. 2 Fluid levels and checks. Lube oil. Check the level through the dipstick and maintain it within the recommended upper limit H, and check for any leakage. Coolant. Check the coolant level and look for any leaks or signs of damage. Fuel. Verify the fuel level in the day tank and check the entire fuel system. Filters. Check all filter conditions. 3 Battery and electrical checks. Battery voltage. Use a multimeter set to DC volts, 20 volts range. Connect red to positive and black to negative terminals, and read the voltage. It should read around 12.6 volts when off and 13.7 to 14.7 volts when running. Ensure the battery terminals and caps are clean. Specific gravity. Check the distilled water level and specific gravity of the battery if applicable. It should be 1.24 to 1.28. Gauges and instruments. Verify that all gauges, such as ammeter, voltmeter, and run-hour meter, are working properly at control panel. For running and sound checks, it's called a test run in offload. Start up. Start the DG for a short period, example 5 minutes, for a trail run. Noise and vibration. Check for any abnormal noises or vibrations during the run. Exhaust. Ensure the exhaust system is in good condition and that exhaust fumes are safely diverted outside the DG shed. 5 Safety checks. Fire extinguisher. Check the fire extinguisher to ensure it's within its test and tag date. Safety guards. Verify that all rotating parts are safely guarded. Emergency stops. Ensure emergency stops are working properly. Warning signs and alarms. Check that warning signs and alarms are functional. By performing these checks on a daily basis, you can ensure that your generator runs efficiently and reliably. During a sudden EB, grid, power failure, reliance on utility power is not always possible due to natural or man-made disruptions. While most major IT industries and data center business units use UPS systems to ensure continuity, UPS units can support operations only for a limited duration. Therefore, diesel generators are essential to provide long-duration power backup and ensure uninterrupted operations. Other important checks. B check, done after 300 hours of cycle or 6 months, whichever is earlier. C check, done after 1500 hours of cycle or 3 years, whichever is earlier. D check, done in 6000 hours of cycle. The above checks are mandatory, and PPMs are essential. Regardless of the industry, a backup power source is now a necessity to safeguard against both expected and unexpected power outages and to prevent any impact on productivity or disruption to critical operations. In some industries, power failure can result in substantial financial losses, while in others, it may pose serious risks to human life. Therefore, a diesel generator A check must be carried out daily during the first shift to ensure the generator is in good working condition and ready for operation at all times. Thank you for watching one of our many educational videos. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Learn from the experts to become a professional. Please do watch these videos for more practical knowledge. If you are looking for a reliable, highly skilled, professional, and cost-effective facilities management service provider, AMPS should be your first choice. For any business inquiries and for more info, speak to an energy management expert. Please contact